Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to use Google Assistant on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To use Google Assistant on your Chromebook, we have to enable some settings. For that, simply open Settings application. Now here scroll down and click on System Preference option. Now look for Search and Assistant. Here you'll find Google Assistant option. Simply click on it and simply turn on the option. Now if you want to use Google Assistant with your voice command by saying Hey Google or OK Google, then simply from the Hey Google drop-down menu, select on. After that, simply agree the Google Assistant terms and condition by clicking on I agree button and you are ready to use it. Also, you can open Google Assistant by simply pressing Search and A key. So that's it. This is how you can use Google Assistant on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.